What is she doing?
She is talking on the phone.
What are they doing?
They are drinking coffee.
What is he doing?
He is doing his homework.
What is she doing?
She is listening to music.
What are they doing?
They are watching TV.
Are they playing golf?
No, they aren't. They are playing football.
Is she washing the dishes?
No, she isn't. She is cooking a meal.
Are they crying?
No, they aren't. They are laughing.
Is he playing the drums?
No, he isn't. He is playing the guitar.
Are they swimming in the swimming pool?
No, they aren't. They are swimming in the river.
What is the weather like?
It is raining.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing a hat.
How are they running?
They are running fast.
What is he reading?
He is reading a book.
Where is she sitting?
She is sitting at the bus stop.
What are you doing now? What is your mother doing now? What are your friends doing now?